So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see some basic CSV file operations using file handling in Python. So for that, firstly we will open our VS Code, and then what you have to do is you have to just simply create a new file. Like we are doing a read operation now. Just a second, click here and then create a new file. Since I am doing read operation, so I will be creating read.py. So but before that I will be needing a CSV file. So for that I will be going in my browser and search for trial CSV files. Just a second. Trial CSV files. Okay, so you can download just this one. I will be going with customers and then download, and then you can download any of these files. I will be going with the first one, which has like 100 contacts. I will be save with this as the name of data.csv and placing in a correct folder. Since I was using this folder for my Python file, so I will be like loading this particular CSV file in the same folder to make the work easier. Okay, let's move now VS Code again. So now you can see this is the CSV file that contains like 100 people's data. Okay, so now what you have to do is just simply go in your read.py again, and now we will type our basic program for this. We will import CSV, and then what you have to do is you have to open this file with this one. I will be opening this file in R mode, that is read mode only. Now what you have to do is just simply create a reader which will read your entire file, and then this will print row by row. Okay, let's run this program. This will take some seconds. Yes, you can see this. Your data is printed in this format. If you want to like access a particular column of every you can say every row, access a particular column of every row, then what you have to do is just simply you have to make a basic change here. You have to use this as a dictionary for now. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to change the mode here, that is dict reader. This will be dict reader, and then you have to like access the email of everyone. Then what will you do is just simply go here and check for like, okay, for email this is the spelling of this, make sure this must be correct, and then paste it here, then save your program. That's it. Run Python file. You can see all the emails now. Similarly, if you want to print like printf and then quotations, name is, okay, you will be printing like this something. You have to firstly access the name. For that you will be having this column, first name. Okay, and then paste it here. You can type it like name is, and then this, and email is, and then this. Just paste it here, and then this one too. Now simply run this program. run Python file, you can see this name is this one and email is this one. So this is the basic read operation you can do via CSV files. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.